Hey guys, come on. Ooh, briars. Quit chewing the damn briars. This cat here. Ooh, it's kind of deep. Come on, Grace. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Grace, come on. Go get her, boy. Get her. Damn retards. Come on. Come on. Come on, Grace. Come on. Go get her. Get her, Devlin. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Oh, King Studley. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, baby. You're gonna come eventually. Come on. Come on, sweet pie. Come on, daddy. Come here. Grace. Come on. Here. Right here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on, sweetie. You can do it. Come on. Just do it. Just do it. Come on. Tell her, buddy. Here. Tell her, Devlin. Good girl. Oh. Good girl. Oh. Clash of the Titans. Dun dun dun. It's nice having this in the backyard. It's nice having this in the backyard, huh? Yes, it is. My good-looking babies. Quit eating. What, really? Yeah, that's the root you want? I want that stick, Dad. Briars, you goons. One more spot to cross. Come on. Hey. Let's go. Really? Shit. Who's it? Who? You're starting to jump now, huh? See, we love the woods, Daddy. Gotta get us a property with a pond or more creeks, whichever one.